Hi, good morning students. We are going to see the next chapter, the perimeter of rectilinear figure. The perimeter of rectilinear figure. Now you must know what is rectilinear. Rect means straight. Like rect means straight. Linear means lines. Okay. The rectilinear means the shapes with the straight lines. Rectilinear figures means the shapes with the straight lines. What are the shapes with the straight lines you know? Just tell me. What are the shapes you know? What comes in your mind? First it comes square, okay, with the straight lines. Then rectangle, triangle. You can keep on saying, okay. You know many shapes. I know that, isn't it? The next one is perimeter. You must know about perimeter. Okay. Anything, any things you take, like you see this duster. Okay, you can say, ma'am, this duster is small and this book is quite big. Okay, just by looking at that any object, we can say whether it is big or small. Okay, but we have to measure and say whether it is big or small. Okay, just for measuring, we can measure in different ways. The one thing, we can measure the whole area. Otherwise, we can measure the surrounding lines. The surrounding lines, that is outer area of any shape. For example, here, just I am writing here, drawing here one rectangle. Okay. Now perimeter means the length of this side, this side, this side, this side, all four sides. The length of all four sides. Okay, all for the length, the sum of the length of all four sides is called perimeter. It can be any shape. It can be square, it can be triangle, whatever shape can be. Okay, कोई भी shape हो सकता है. वो सारे shape का outer line का जो measurement है, उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Perimeter. इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Perimeter. Okay, now you know about what is perimeter. Now you know about what is rectilinear figures. So now we are going to learn about perimeter of rectilinear figures. Okay, now see here, first thing, perimeter of rectangle. Okay, what is the special thing in rectangle? Just say, because you have learned the shapes. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides are equal. You have two length and two breadth. Isn't it so? You have two lengths and two breadths. All four sides. Okay. So with this, instead of adding twice, we can just multiply by 2. Isn't it so? That's why I am writing the formula like this. 2 multiply by. एक लेंथ को ब्रेथ को प्लस करके L प्लस B करके उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी तो फिर वही आ जाएगा. ठीक है, ये दोनों को दो बार लिख के प्लस करने से अच्छा एक बार लेंथ ब्रेथ को प्लस करके 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो सेम आंसर आएगा, है ना. सो वी आर मेकिंग द फॉर्मूला लाइक दैट. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय L प्लस B. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय L प्लस B. अदरवाइज आई कैन राइट L plus B. So they have given one measurement here, length 36 centimeter and breadth 24 centimeter. So instead of length and breadth writing, we can just substitute these numbers. Just write here 2 multiply by length 36 centimeter plus breadth 24 centimeter. So first let us add it, then we will multiply. So when you add 4 plus 6, 10, 0, 1 carry, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So 60 centimeter. Then we will multiply. When we multiply, we get 2 0 2 6 are 12. So this is the answer. This is the 120 is the answer. Have you got this? Shall we do the next one? Perimeter of square. Square, all four sides are equal. So no need of writing even length and breadth. We can just write it 4 multiplied by side. 4 बार साइड को लिख के प्रेस करने से अच्छा we can multiply by 4. We get the same answer, isn't it so? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 बार 4 को लिखो प्रेस करोगे तभी 16 आएगा. 4 4s are 16. ठीक है? So shall we do this one? So here side they have given 11 meter 25 centimeter. So we write here 4 multiplied by 11 meter 25 centimeter. You can directly multiply like that. Otherwise, as usual, how you multiply? You can write at the side and multiply. Like 11 meter 25 centimeter. I am multiplying by 4. Okay, centimeter you write. You have to write the units as it is. Then meter. 4 5s are 20. 0 to carry. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. 8 plus 2 10. 0 1 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 4 1s are 4. So 45 meter 0 centimeter. Whether you write 0 centimeter, otherwise you can leave it. That doesn't make any difference. Okay. So you know to multiply, isn't it so? Just you write the units and you have to carry the number in multiplication. That you have to remember. Okay. Next, we are going to see the next shape is triangle. Okay. Triangle. In rectangle we had 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So we made the formula like this. And in a square we have 4 equal sides. So we made the formula like that, 4 multiplied by side. But a triangle can be in different lengths. It can be of same lengths. It can be of different lengths or anything. So no need of making the formula for that. If it is same length, we can 3 multiply by side, we can write and multiply. But if it is different lengths, we cannot do. So we will write all the lengths together and add it. Okay, सारे क्योंकि अलग अलग लेंथ है, अगर एक ही लेंथ है तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फॉर्मूला बनाएंगे, ठीक है. अगर अलग अलग लेंथ है तो सबको हम लोग एक साथ लिख के प्लस करेंगे. So here they have given the measurement of all 3 sides of a triangle. 6 meter 54 centimeter, 4 meter 42 centimeter, 8 meter 44 centimeter. So shall we write and add it? So here meter centimeter. You know to add, first you have to write the units and you have to write the number. 6, 54, 42, 4, 44 and 8. So we are going to add it. Okay, just add this one. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So 0, 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So 4 and 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. So 9, 1 here. So the answer can be 19 meter 40 centimeter. Have you got this one? For different, for if it is a rectangle, you can do this one 2 multiply by L plus B, length plus breadth. And if it is a square, 4 multiply by side. एक ही साइड होगा, चारों साइड बराबर की होगा तो एक ही मेजरमेंट होगा, तो हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करके लिख देंगे. इफ इट इज अ ट्रायंगल देन यू हैव टू थिंक इफ बिकॉज ऑल द साइड्स आर डिफरेंट हियर, सो वी विल राइट ऑल द साइड्स बिकॉज वी नीड द लेंथ ऑफ आउटर लाइन. So all the sides we will write here and add it. Okay, if you have any doubt, watch this video again, you will surely get it. Thank you.